Alright, so I'm gonna do a little video here showing you the ball. These they're called hurricane balls, I guess. And all it is, I got like these two. You can use ball bearings, but these are just like a little game I had, so I used them. And I'll show you them. And yeah, so all I did was super glue them. And pretty much what they do when you spin them, they spin really fast. And I don't know why. And you can also use a straw to speed up how fast they're spinning. So we'll do this here. Alright. They're very fast. Alright, so yeah, there you go. And I've seen lots of people saying, like on videos, saying, how do you stop them or whatever. You just touch them. And like you just grab them and they stop. So yeah, thanks for watching.